Hey everybody, this is Matthew Rohr. I'm the Youth Programs Manager with All Hands Boat Works. We're here today in our new boat shop, and I'd like to introduce you all to our RAFT crew of youth participants that have been coming in twice a week to work on some projects with us. So here we have Maya, Ayana, and Ryan. And Ryan, what are we going to be showing everyone today?
Today we're going to be showing our canoe paddles.
Perfect.
Okay, so when you first start out, you're gonna need this starter kit. You have 5 strips of wood, preferably with 2 types of wood. We have pine here and we have cedar. You're gonna have some marine board, which you're gonna use later on when you're cutting out your blade and your handle. And this is what you start off with.
Maya, can you tell us a little bit about the next step of the canoe paddle process?
Yes, so next we are going to cut out our starter kit, which is the wood pine, and then we are going to laminate it, which means to glue it, and then you're set.
Perfect. And what do we cut it out for here and at the other end?
We cut this one out for the blade, and then this one is for the handle.
Perfect, thank you.
We're using the low angle hand plane to shape the paddles.
After you get a shape you like this, you move on to some marine grade plywood and cut out a shape for the handle and the shape for the blade itself.
So after we've outlined our blade here, you're gonna cut it out. We use the bandsaw to do that. And so that is the next step.
Perfect.
You also cut out your handle, made of the same material.
Cool.
So next what we'll be doing is we are going to glue our blade into here. Like this. And then we're going to be putting our base of our handle in to here, like that.
To create your handle, what you want to do is get 3 different types of wood if you choose. It can be 1 type, it can be 2 types, and it can be 3 types, but you normally want 3 pieces of wood. And you'll put it onto this, first doing the bottom layer, gluing it down. Whoops. Then doing the top one. You'll do that for each side and you'll put a clamp on it. That way it gets a nice hard glue.
So now that we've layered up wood on top of the base of our handle here, you want to take either both a raft and a file and shape it down. Then once it gets farther down enough, we're going to use sandpaper to smooth out the kinks and stuff, and then we'll be done.
So what's the last step, Ryan?
After we finish the handle, we put the varnish.
Cool.
Already, so yeah. It doesn't matter if it spills, right? This is our product we finished, and shout out to Mr. Eddie for designing us our paddle.